how to forward emails from Webmail account to Gmail account in Hostinger. So let's get started. Once you log into your Hostinger account, this is the dashboard you will see. Next, click on the Emails tab and enter the Email section. Next, click the Mailboxes button associated with your domain. Under Manage Mailboxes, I currently have only one email account set up for this domain. To set up email forwarders in this Webmail account, we will need to click this three-dotted More option. And again, from the list of options, we will need to select the Create Forwarders tab. Next, in this pop-up window, we need to enter the Gmail address to which we want to forward copy of emails from the Webmail account. And click the Create button to continue. Next, we need to confirm the email sent to Gmail account to allow forwarding emails from Webmail account. And done, all emails sent to Webmail account will be forwarded to Gmail account too in Hostinger. Please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. Comment and share this video if it was helpful.